Hi, my name is Cam, and today we're taking a peek at the Jetson J5 electric bike. We're gonna go over a few of my favorite features, which includes its max distance of 30 miles and its max speed of 15 miles an hour, and also its folding capabilities. Let's get into it. The first feature we're gonna get into is the motor and throttle. Now the J5 has a strong 350 watt motor, which allows you to go farther and faster, especially with the J5's pedal assist. The twist throttle allows you to get the perfect speed when you're out exploring. The second feature is its compact storing. It comes with an easy folding mechanism that allows you to store it underneath your desk when you get to work, and it also can fit in your apartment closet. The third and final feature is the battery life. Now the J5 comes with a strong lithium-ion battery that allows for up to 30 miles with the pedal assist and 15 miles with the twist throttle, making sure that you're able to get to your destination. My name is Cam. Thanks for checking out the Jetson J5 electric bike with me. If you want to learn more about this product, be sure to click the link below to connect with a virtual expert like me, and we'll see you on the next one.